अदनान, चेतन, जिगर, जीकू, अजीत, समाज, जराट, अनूप, अकील, मोहम्मद फैसल, जयप्रकाश, मोहसिन, मफी, प्रीति, प्रिया, आजितोष, तुषार, उबैद, जीकू, सर वसीम, सर इरफान, सैयद, विष्णु, कम, मोहम्मद, वंदना, वेल कुमार, अली, अली रजा, एडविन, चंद्रा, मोहम्मद, इमरान, सर अरफात, दीपक, अदनान, अजय, बतूर, इब्राहिम, मुरली, रिजवान, सचिन, सुजीत, कॉम्प्लेक्स, रिया, सैयद, फैसल, हारून खान, विनय, जावेद, सेंगर, फारिद, प्रदीप, प्रेम, अभिषेक, आमिर, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, मोहम्मद, सही, परिता, नबील, चित्रा, तलाश, हारिस, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, मनीष, अमर, अनिरुद्ध, पलीसा, असलम, आतिफ, ग्रेस, ग्रेग, बैक, सचिन, कमाल, बशकर, रोहित, पैटिस, दीक्षित, रियाज, सौरभ, सिद्धार्था, नदीर, तारिक, वेंकट, तो हरी पश्चिम से मंसूर, रेहाना, विजय, विशाल, अर्जुन, असद, इलियास, खान, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, एंथनी, अरविंद, हसान, वसीम, मंगेश, राज, अकबर, परना, संकल्प, विषय, ईश्वरी, अफजाल, विवेक, हसीब, हामिद, लीश, पल्लवी, अनम, फैसल, बुरहान, हुसैन, मतीन, पांडे, सैयद, खलील, मुनीफ, हसान, गुप्ता, आशा, अजय, इकेन, पूजा, तलहा, विजय, अमजद, जोफरी, हसन, सुजित, अमित, बीबी, राजू, पवन, उमर, मान, रिकतेश, अहमद, गुप्ता, शीश, मैरी, शॉन, जमाल, तुलसीदास, अनान, मोहसिन, नदीम, अली, इसाम, कवैस, अजीम, मंसूर, शकील, केरिया, हसन, रियाज हुसैन, बेटी, प्रदीप, मीना, आसमा, दुर्गा, शरीफ, अली अल बलूच, कांग्रेचुलेशन माय फ्रेंड, सलमान, सुबता, हसन, मोहसिन, मनीक, क्रिस्टोफर, जंगीर, विनय, हमास, मोहम्मद शफीक, नवीन, दरिक्सा, फियाज, प्रशांत, इलियास, धमवीर, नीजू, अब्राहम, श्रीनिवास, सुंदेला, नबील अहमद, नवीद, बिलाल, सिद्रा अली, शाजी, उबैब, बाबर, कौडी, रिजवान, इमरान, विवेक, राजीव, राव, इश्ता, फैजान, रहील, निसार, उमर, आज, संदीप, शराज, तीनों, उसामा, कोमल, शिवानी, सलमान, सदा, आनंद, दिलवम, अजय, साबिर, उजैर, सुरिंदर, प्रदीप, अमीर, मोहित, वकास, निधि, उमर, उस्मान, संदीप, अमित, अबू ताहिर, नवीन, अर्शद, मोहम्मद, विवेक, या सुशान, फुरकान, गजेंद्रा, नागराज, नसीमा, सागर, मोहम्मद, जायना, हुसैन, रश्मि, नेहा, फैसल, अली, अली, अल अजमी, हमाद, नुमान, आलम, विजय, सरनाया, सवाना, मोहम्मद, जक्का, जाकिर, कांग्रेचुलेशन, सादिमा, सहर, अजेब, समीर, इफ्फी, तलाल, हमाद, उमर, उस्मान, मलिक, अजेब, वकास, प्रिया, रफी, सायरा, सरस्वती, सौरभ, सशवानी, फैवज, श्रीका, प्राण, जानदार डुओ, फ्रांसिस, अब्दुल, मोहम्मद, उमर, अभिषेक, अभिलाष, अबरार, फरहान, लता, निधि, इब्राहिम, विनोद, फैसल, अमीर, इनाम, अब्दुल अजीज, इकेन, अकमल, अजान, बासिल, गारिमा, कैवन, पद्मा, साजिद, साजिद, वलीद, चेताली, अनामिका, जरनाब, सुदीप, नवीन, मोजदेव, नवीद, कांग्रेचुलेशन, आतिफ, चक्रा, हसन, नदीम, आबिद पटेल, आदिति, सुभाषेश, कुरेश, उमर, रफीउल, गुलाम, शाम बाबू, दीपक, कैरोलिन, लिनविन, शीतल, एल्विन, उनिंद्रा, प्रशांत, अब्रार, अली खान, राम, विद्या, तलहा, बासाद, राशिद, माधवन, गुरजीत, ऋषु, दत्ता, सबान, अजीम, मंगेश, मुदस्सिर, प्रदीप, सिद्रा अली, मैन, कांग्रेचुलेशन, सुहेल, अमूल, तहसीन, नबील, आतिफ, जिया, नित्या, शाह, मोहम्मद, शकील उमर, अहमद, मिस्टर अवध, श्रुति, सलमान, खालिद, सैयद, सत्यस्नैन, वसी, सैयद, सुहेल, शाम, सिन्हा, जिद इकबाल, विवेक. And here we have my 1000 PM in less than 3 years, Muhammad Adil. Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing awesome. Good to have all of you. Okay, so all of those who are my student, I request you to yeah, put the message in the group that the coaching call has started so that everyone can join. Those who want to join, they can join and we can start working on the question answers. Before we start solving question answers, let me set the camera. Yeah. Before we start solving question answers, if you have any question that you would like to know, feel free to put in the chat box. I will be more than happy to answer. Walaikum assalam, Faisal Saab. Hi, Vedant, Ruksal, Renuka, Ruksar Sahib, Nazash, Bagasir, Mohsen, Ashok. We are doing pretty good in the month of March. We have reached 139 or 141 PMPs. I should recheck my statistics whenever I come live, maybe. And we are still 10 days. I need 60 PMPs. Yeah, that's the big target. But I always say that shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you will land among the stars. What does that mean? That means have the biggest possible goals and go for them. Motivate your team and go for them. You may achieve them, you may not achieve them, I don't know. But the pursuit of achieving the goal, that is what the life is all about. One of the most important thing that I believe is pursuit of going towards your goal. If you move towards your goal and you keep moving, you have a chance to get them done. But uh, if you don't have a goal, if you don't have a chance to achieve them, then it becomes challenging. So pursuit of happiness, pursuit of achieving. Hi Arvinder, good to see you. uh, is always one of the things that I really loved. Keep moving forward, keep going towards that thing. Hi Jangir, hi Akib, Walaikum Assalam, Walaikum. So today's agenda is straightforward. We are going to solve 10 questions of PMP. Okay, we move forward, before we move forward, I want to share that whatever the questions you may have regarding PMP, whatever the questions is there, feel free to put into that mastery series. I already put the link everywhere. That now I have put the mastery series on Udemy and I make it free for every single person who wants to do that. In addition to that, the next episode of the mastery series will be live uh, tomorrow. I will share the link for all the students who are my students. In addition to that, everyone else can also look into that. Okay, so let's get into that. Let's make you PMP. That's the bottom line. Okay, hi Ayam, good to have you everybody. Hi Bhaskar, good to have Ari Babu, James. I hope James, this is your last coaching call. Okay, let's get this thing done. Now you can join the coaching call. You know what I mean. And by the way, guys, if you haven't still enrolled in the Udemy course, here is the link for that, entirely free of cost. Okay, B, D, B, D. So we have multiple answers here. Let's look at the question. One of the key stakeholder has complained that he is receiving daily reports, whereas he only need. So we did this question in EST coaching call on Monday. I wanted to go this question one more time. You see, 4 hour of communication. Put it in the chat box. What is the 4 hour of communication? Put it in the chat box. What is 4 hour of communication? It is right information at right time to right people to right impact. So whenever the question says that we need to do that, we will update the plan. But the first thing is that we need to review the plan. Does the plan needs to be updated? If the plan needs to update, this is step one. If the plan needs to update, we need to raise a change request. But reviewing the plan and saying that what the plan is not effective is always the best answer. So B is your right answer here. Is there anything that I can do that can explain that my business is already having that issue? I don't know, will I get it? If I don't get my business active by 31st March, it will become issue. So if you feel there is something, please let me know, brother. I can also call on your number. B. You are working the project where the team members while talking to each other don't look into that. That's kind of a what should the project manager do? That's kind of a cultural thing. If people don't look into their eyes, we this a culture thing. We need to work into culture, see how we can improve the culture. What are the things in the culture that needs special attention towards that. So here it's not a diversity training. Now I'm gonna do what if for all of this. Diversity training is particularly useful when you see people does not understand the diverse culture and there is a problem into there, right? Here gender diversity, things of those nature. But that is not the case here. Emotional intelligence, EQ, consists of five things. Put in the chat box what are the five things that are covered in the emotional intelligence. Put in the chat box. It is self-awareness, self-management, social skills, empathy, and motivation. So it has nothing to do with there. And political awareness is not the answer. So we will go towards culture trend. B is the answer. Guys, before we move to the next question, I would like to request all of you. Tomorrow, the another video of PMP Mastery series will be live, right? I don't want you to miss that. It will be 8 p.m. my time. So I really want that you subscribe the YouTube channel right now and click that notification. So whenever I put anything, you get it there, right? I am going to put a lot of more content as we are entering the next month. After the mastery series, I have multiple other plans. So if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, I request you do it now. The bigger the channel gets, it gives me more motivation. It's like you are talking to a crowd of 21,000. Right now we have 20,000 something, and I really appreciate if we can reach maybe 100,000. That would be a good, but at least do your job and please subscribe it. I really respect you, and that will be a great thing for me. Thank you. By the way, I don't earn anything from YouTube, so it will be great. but as senior project manager did it for you. You have been asking your sponsor to make a decision to approve or reject a deliverable. It has been 4 weeks. Sponsor is not taking it seriously. We shared it with the project manager. He shared that you are not working in the organization. You are working in the organization where most of the decisions are actually made in the golf course. Next weekend, you went to play golf. You discussed the deliverable and he immediately approved it. This is the thing, we need to understand our audience, right? This is knowing how the things work into that way. And this thing again comes to the culture thing. You need to know what the culture aspect of things are. You see, many people will go with the political awareness. This is not political awareness. And the purpose of this question is to give you a differentiate between the culture awareness and political awareness. It's not active listening, it's not emotional intelligence, right? The purpose of this question is to give you the difference between understanding what culture awareness is, what political awareness is, how these things are different, and how these things are similar up to certain extent. So culture awareness is knowing how the culture will work, how things are happened. Now this is kind of the culture of all the CEOs. They make decisions on the golf course, right? Or if you are a smoker, if you are a smoker, put yes. I do smoke occasionally, like one smoke pack goes up to 4 or 5 months. So not a smoker, but I know that for a reason, that if you want to be get into the enter where people are smokers or people drink, you may have to drink, you may have to smoke. And because when the people does the things that calm them, and it's also the same for sports and other things. CEOs happen to play golf, it's kind of their culture, and you need to look into that. When we do sports and things like that, we break down those barriers which are in the offices. So that is the why we need to understand the culture. Am I clear with this answer? Kind of an important answer if you look in the context of the question. B is the right answer. Okay, you are moving from Dubai to China. You have been using WhatsApp for communication. Now, WhatsApp does not work. Now, here we need to look into that how things happen. But one of the things that I always say in my 7 step formula, which is my, yeah, this 7 step formula, I always recommend, if you haven't received 7 formula, just message me and I'll send the 7 formula. Read the question slowly. Read the question slowly. Read the last line first. When you read the last line first, you are able to actually get a lot of the content that you did not understand initially, right? Of course, other steps are important. Identify the keywords, identify the life cycle, use elimination technique, and of course, doing the root cause analysis. That is my from my 7 step formula. I'll send it to you. Just message or email me. No, not a problem. Okay. Here, the question here said entirely different thing. But here, what will you do update to make sure this does not happen in future project? There's only one document. There is only one document that we use to update for the future project, and that is lesson learn register. That's it. You see how, if you have read the last line, you don't need to even read the entire up question. By last line, you get the entire thing here. Kind of an interesting thing, is it or not? Put in the chat box. Read the last line, guys. Read the last line. Very interesting. Okay. If the question says, let's do what if. If the question says, what will you update to make sure this does not happen again in your current project? In your current project. So what would be the option in that case? Uh, what would be the D or E option? I'm not putting it. So kind of consider it a filling the blank. What would be the answer in that pattern case? Consider it as my E option and put your chat box. What would you have to do? What would be yes, risk register. Very well done. So guys, I have made a document that is called 18 plans and 33 documents. Okay. And that's kind of an article. I request all of you to read that article. 18 plans and 30. Those who are batch 3, like the students who just joined, right? I would recommend them to read it after Saturday so that we covered scope, schedule, cost topic. But if you are before that and you have not read that article, I do recommend read that article. At the end of the class, I will share the link to that, and you can also message me. I will share that link to you. That article basically cover all these things. Kind of an important article for you if you consider this thing as important. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, combination. Okay, you are working in a large project. You have to share a lot of information to the team member. What will be the best method to communicate? Now, when we talk about the communication, we need to look for the how we are going to communicate with everybody. Push is one way, pull is another way. Both are important. We use push, pull, and of course, we use interactive. Imagine any large project. Any, I give you a full option. You can imagine any of the large project you want. You will be using push communication without any doubt. You will be using pull communication for sure. And you will be using interactive communication. Basically, what do? We use the Combination of all this type of communication. So D will be the right answer. Push, pull, interactive. Again, I would say slow down, read the question, understand the context of the question. The purpose of this coaching call is to give you the most way how you are going to answer so that you can learn the skill. Any skill that is done repetitively, you will get that thing done. I'm last week, and like from last coaching call, this coaching call, 8 students have cleared, but two working moms specially cleared. Victoria from USA and Sahar from Pakistan. Like two ends of the world, my two homes. And both have different story. Like if I talk about Victoria, I will share her success journey today. Victoria is a single mom, but she worked on consistency. She had the same challenges as you guys may have. You read too fast, things like that. But she cleared PMP in like 6 weeks in the program. Sahar, she has two, three kids in Pakistan with a job, software job, and things like that. She took her time and she cleared it. What I said to them and what they have followed, I'm saying the same to you. Slow down, read the context of the question, and moved in a pace this way. Okay? I hope you really follow that. See, 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 see. I saw, see. You shared a report with the stakeholder according to their requirement. You have shared only information that is required. You have shared a report like this is the classical example of work performance report. We have three things: work performance data, work performance information, work performance report. Data is a raw information what you immediately get from the project, the raw information that you are getting. Okay, this thing, that, this thing, etc., etc. That's the raw information. Raw information you are immediately getting. That is work performance data. Data, the entire information goes to every single team. They compared it with their plan, like they get the information, compare with their plan, and after variance analysis, what they get make is work performance information. Risk department will have their own information, scope, quality. This goes to the project manager. He combines them into one report and then share that. That is work performance report. You can say that data level 1, level 2, this is level 3 information, and we are sharing that information. So C is the right answer. C is the right answer. You are working in the project and team has just shared the cost of project will be more than the benefit. Now, you see, whenever somebody shares something, you always do analysis. That is done. Now, what would you do? Keep monitoring the status of the project. Nah, I wouldn't do that. I don't want to do that. Keep doing the project and do the analysis again. Can be, but no. Close the project. I cannot close the project because I did not started the project. This guy started the project. So why would I do that? You will escalate it to the sponsor. Kind of an important thing, particularly when you are thinking that who started the project, how the project worked into that way. So that is an important domain to look into that. How the things happen. Who like business case is important. We worked into that way. But we also need to look into that how things are happening, what things are worked into that way. Okay. Okay. I want to solve drag and drop question, and I need 2 3% with me to solve that question. First, let me open the drag and drop. Oh yeah, found it. Okay. So I'm sharing a link here, and you can actually come to the by clicking on the link into the session, and I want you to solve the drag and drop with me. That's link. I just shared it with you. Use that link and you can solve the drag and drop question with me. What's a drag and drop question? In drag and drop question, and you will get 4 to 5 questions according to the feedback of PMPs who are doing it. One, I like Victoria's success journey I recorded last night. She had 5 drag and drop question, and we are gonna solve there. Farzan not here. Okay, like Hira just joined. You need to. I shared the link. You need to click that. Okay, Hira, how are you guys? Good. Hira,
Yes,
sister.
I'm fine. Yes.
Okay, can hear you now. Okay, so we are gonna solve 4 to 5 drag and drop questions. So you can see the drag and drop question, right?
Yes.
Okay. So why don't you help me to solve it?
Okay.
You will tell
Okay.
me, and I will drag it. Okay.
List for all stakeholders. Stakeholder register.
Okay.
Combination of all plan. Project management plan. RAM. Who is responsible for the task? Resi. Accountability for the task.
Okay.
Okay. And changes. Change in version control. Change management plan.
No, that is configuration management plan.
Okay.
Change in baselines. That is
Change
basically
management plan.
change.
Okay.
List of all
List of
risk.
all risk register. Yes.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Very well done. Very well done, Hira. Okay. Oh, many people have joined. Okay, we'll solve as many questions as we can. Hi, Renuka. How are you?
I am here. I'm good.
Okay. So, Renuka, Hira, I'm gonna remove you from the studio because I see the people are trying to add, it, so I can only accommodate 12 people. Okay. Okay, Hira. Renuka, let's go. Mm-hmm. Let's see, Renuka, what do you have in the next question? Okay. Okay. So this question, Renuka, can you tell this question is
Yes,
from which topic?
Tuckman ladder.
Yeah, Tuckman ladder. So why don't you help me with that?
Okay. Uh, okay. Forming is coaching.
Forming is coaching.
Actually, it is team forming. I don't see options here. Two
Sorry.
coaching options. I see two coaching options.
Okay, let me put it mentoring.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, actually, wait.
Everyone who is watching on YouTube, you can do one like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and ABCD. You can match in that way. Yes, my friend.
I'm feeling confused actually.
Renuka, that needs to be improved. We don't have that much time. The question. Na? You identify it's a Tuckman ladder. So you
Yes.
should know what does each stage mean, right?
Yes.
This needs improvement. That is why we are getting the scores we are getting. I would request you go through all the mind maps. Okay,
Yeah.
go through all the mind maps and mastery series, and then solve question answers because this simple question shows that we need improvement, sister. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. I am allowing someone else now. Yes, Mohit, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you solve this question, the same one? Okay.
Forming is mentoring.
Forming is mentoring. Okay.
Storming is coaching.
Okay.
Norming is supporting. Performing delegation.
Mm.
Then adjourning direction.
Okay. What happens in forming?
Yeah, sorry. That's right. I think forming the team is new and they need direction. Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Remaining is almost okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Oh, but let me remove you. Yeah, Mithan, how are you? Good. Hello, Mithan. Can you hear me?
Yeah, hi Amir.
Good to have you. Okay. Next question. Let's see what do we have for you. Oh, this one. Oh yeah. Can you do this one, please? Yes, Mithan. Can you see?
Yes,
Please go ahead.
identifying team strength, weakness, that is what.
Okay. Okay.
Each stakeholder given 100 points. That is 100-point method.
Good.
Then ranking, it's beta distribution. Last one, based on votes.
This is beta distribution.
Sorry, not Perth. It's Moscow. No, Moscow is must have. That is must have, should have, and could have. Moscow. This an order list of user centric is product backlog. Theory of customer satisfaction is Kano model. Ranking of results based on number of votes will be three dot voting. uh, uh, X equal to P plus 4M plus 0 O by 6 will be beta distribution.
Very well done. So, Mithun, that was a very good job. You see, guys, everyone who is watching, when he started, he was not able to get the things done. But that is the beauty of this. If you keep moving forward, you will be able to get that. So, very well done, brother. Very well done, Mithun. Okay. Asim Iqbal. Hi, Asim. Hi, Asim. Can you hear me? Asim, can you hear me? I guess Asim, you are not with us or unable to mute. I have to let you go. Hi Bagashir, how are you?
Hi Amir, I'm doing good, thank you.
Let's do the next one. And not interested. Yeah, okay. Why not you do this one?
Yeah. So I think this is related to the retrospective calls.
Mm-hmm.
And the step one will be set the stage.
Good,
And step two will be gather and share data.
good.
Third one is generate insights
Well done.
and make decision and close.
Very well done. Very well done. Very well done. Thank you, Bagashir. You made it very quick.
It was
thank,
easy.
thank you. Okay. Yeah. Didas, are you with me?
Yes,
Okay, let's do it. Oh yeah. The most important drag and drop I have is with you. Please, Didas.
thank you. Let me try to do it. It's about the Scrum, Agile, and the sprint review. Uh, Sorry.
Yes, brother.
I can't move. Sorry.
Hmm?
I can't move it.
I could not hear you. Can you repeat, please?
I can't move it. I don't know what's wrong with me.
You cannot solve it.
Yeah,
Why not? What is sprint?
I'm with the iPad.
Huh?
I'm with the iPad.
Okay. Okay. Let's get someone else. But Didas, that this is kind of important how the Scrum works. Okay. So I would request you to maybe review Scrum one more time, brother. Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank
Okay. So who will solve it? Hi Akib, want to solve that one?
Yes, definitely.
Go ahead.
Yes, yes, sure.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, daily stand up, a short 10 to 15 minutes meeting.
Very well done. Very well done. De- I like that you went towards the easy one and take it out. That's a good way. Next one. And everyone who is watching, this is the most important drag and drop. If you understand this one, the entire scrum is in your hand. Please. Next one, brother.
The next one is sprint review. Visualize the work and enable the team and stakeholders
No,
to track progress.
no. Try one more time.
Scrum, an agile framework for developing and sustaining complex products with specific roles, events, and artifacts.
Okay, where is that?
Second,
Yeah. Okay. This is right.
team velocity, team rate of progress of completed work in a given time period.
Well done.
Sprint planning, a collaborative event in Scrum in which the Scrum team plans to work for the current sprint. Sprint, a time boxed iteration in Scrum. Sprint retrospective, a meeting of the team member facilitating the Scrum master for the identify the own improvements.
So this is visualization is task board and review is this.
Sprint.
So I would recommend guys taking a screenshot of this one or however you like it. This is kind of a important one. Thank you and very well done, brother. Okay, I'm really proud of you. Well
Thank you,
done.
sir.
Okay. Ibrahim, are you with me for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Prabhu, you tried to connect, but your internet is, you need to disconnect and connect again. Okay. How did it that? Yeah. Why don't you try this one? Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Just 1 minute. Yeah, velocity. It is the measurement of the total output from an iteration to attempt velocity, sir.
Which one?
Measurement of velocity, last one. Measurement of the team's work.
Okay. This one.
Sorry, measurements of total output from an iteration.
Give me, tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which
Okay,
one
okay.
you?
ठीक है.
Which one you are
Okay,
asking?
sir. Just one. Uh, bar chart. Bar
Bar
chart. It is about the. Yes, sir. Bar chart is. It is about the using the second, sir. Using the project schedule to track performance over the time.
Okay.
Then earn value. It tells about the major. It tells about tracking cost first, sir. Tracking the cost and efforts against the plan value. Then quality metrics is about the uh, last one, various measurement to track the quality deliverables and defects. Yeah. Then cycle time is about the uh, measurement of teamwork. Last second, sir. Measurement last. Yeah. Measurement of teamwork that has moved one stage to another stage over certain time. Then through output metrics is the uh, through yeah, measurement of total output from iteration, yeah, through output metrics. And Scrum or Kano model is a Japanese technique, sir.
Very well done. Okay. Okay. So yeah, Prabhu, now you can talk. Thank you, Ibrahim. Hi, Prabhu. How are you with
Hi.
me?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah. Good. Good. Good.
Give some easy question. This is the first time.
That's your choice. Okay, I'll give you some
No issues.
easy question.
Okay, no
Good. Good.
issues.
Good,
That's
good,
fine.
good.
The earlier one is it's something.
No, no, you could not solve that question. You haven't studied the remaining things. So that's why I gave you. Try this one.
Okay.
Yes, tell me.
Wide accommodate, reconcile, direct, problem solve.
Yes, brother. I cannot hear you, Prabhu. Can you hear me?
Uh, I can hear you. Just I'm going through all the. Uh,
Okay, okay.
so pursue your viewpoint at the expense of others. Offer only win-loss solutions.
Hmm.
So,
Yes, brother.
postpone the issue. It goes to accommodate.
So
Postpone the
postpone the
issue. It's the
issue.
fourth one.
One, two,
Four,
retreat.
four.
No, to
Retreat.
postpone the issues. Okay. You are saying accommodate?
Yeah.
Okay. So win-lose situation is basically direct or forcing. Multiple
Pursue.
options.
It's
Yeah, we go for this is basically problem solving. And here emphasize area of agreement, concede position. Okay. Okay. First,
reconcile.
some degree, some
Mm-hmm.
degree of satisfaction and looking into that thing is basically reconcile. Compromise and reconcile is there. Retreat
Okay.
or postpone the issue. Emphasize area, concede position to maintain harmony. This is kind of accommodate, and this is avoiding in this case. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you. I guess everyone has solved the question. Fazan, did you solve the question?
No.
Okay. Yeah, Fazan, go ahead.
Okay, March Live hierarchy of needs, Husband McLaren achievements, emotional. Can you hear me?
I can. Yes,
Oh,
please.
okay. Uh, Personal skills, entrepreneur skills, McLaren achievement, motivation, theory, and okay. Emotional intelligence will be it's like social skills and empathy.
Okay. Social skill.
It will emotional intelligence will be self awareness, self regulation, and motivation.
This one.
Yes.
Okay.
Uh, Personal skills will be personal skills, interpersonal skills. Achievement, evolution, and power. Interpersonal skills will be self actualization.
Hmm.
Interpersonal skills will be self actualization.
That's why I said to rethink
Okay.
the answer.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
Maslow, Herzberg motivational theory. Herzberg motivational theory. McGregor is straightforward theory X, theory Y. Okay.
Okay.
McLean theory is power, achievement, and affiliation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Herzberg said that hygiene agent and motivating agent. Okay. That goes there. Okay. So when we want to go for Maslow, self actualization, things like that comes under the Maslow hierarchy of need. Emotional intelligence was right. Self
Mm-hmm.
awareness, self regulation, that is okay. Personal skills. Personal skills can be basically both are right answers here, but you can put any of these here. Okay.
Okay.
So not bad, Fazan. Very well done.
Thank
Okay.
you.
So this was coaching call for today. In all of our coaching call, what we do, I daily put one question on LinkedIn. Okay, I daily put one question on LinkedIn, and then in this coaching call in Monday and in Thursday coaching call, I answer to those question answers. So if you are not connected to me at LinkedIn, I do recommend that connect now so that uh, you don't miss anything there. Okay. So first of all, you were some people are asking article, and I will send the article to all the people who has messaged me. However, if you go to my profile, there are the articles: team, stakeholder communication, and here is the 18 plans and 33 documents. Okay, you can get it there. Otherwise, everybody who has messaged me, I will send them. Okay. So daily we do the question answer. You see, plus we do the celebrations of the people who cleared the PMP. Sahar cleared. Okay. So this is a question I put it like few hours back. What will be your answer for this one? Okay. So here, whenever we have a discussion about procurement, we will go for the B option. B is the right answer here. Okay. Yeah. This is basically Victoria clearing with all above target. Okay. By the way, if you haven't received your book, if you have bought your book and you want to read book, this is available at Amazon. Today, one of my student Venkatesh messaged me that now he got it in India from Amazon. So you can always get it from Amazon. And this is the Udemy course. I put it for free. I will put a link here in a while. You can get that. Oh, important announcement. PMP Marathon will be next Saturday. It is a free question answer session. You can send email to this email ID, or I'll send you that. For my students, you don't have to actually register. For everyone else, send email to this email ID so that you get a link there, or I'll send also a link there for you. Success story of Sahir. You see, as I said, scope in 3 minutes. A lot of content I put on LinkedIn. Okay. I'll reduce it. So this question is a very important question. Here we are talking about the number of resources. So we have removed the issue at all. So that is avoiding the risk. Okay. So a few questions were discussed in the last coaching call, EST. So guys, 3 things. First thing, the PMP marathon will be next Friday or next Saturday. That is a day before my birthday. Oh yeah, 30th of March. So if you want to be, if you are not my student, send that link. Email me that I want to join the PMP marathon with your first name, last name, and when do you plan to do PMP. My team will send you registration by 28 or by 29. It's a free 4-hour question answer session. Questions all made by certified PMP. So don't miss it. Second thing, my next batch program registration is open now. If you want to get PMP in 6 weeks, come to that. And if you want to read it, the book, The Pathway to PMP is for you. Thank you very much for joining. Loved, like always, loved the session with you. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum, namaste, sat sri akal. Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are. Bye-bye. Ankit is the first PMP of 2024. Ahmed Abdullah, Adil, Ishtiyaq, Alhamdulillah, Mehtab, Tahir, Awais, Raman, Sayyid, Suhail, Archana, Shaheen, Princy, David, Nida, Binsi, Tahreem, Satya, Neetu, Mazhar, Mohsin, Maya, Abdurrahman, Guladima, Fatima, Matiullah, Anand. And here we have my 100th PMP of 2020.